To be like, after like a 757 came, it was, oh my god, that's so loud. That is louder. Elow. 7-8. Nope, that's not a 10. That's a 9. 7-8-9. Here comes Condor. I thought you were dead, Condor. I thought you died along with Thomas Cook. Like, I thought they were like a part of Thomas Cook, and I thought airlines that were a part of another airline died along with the airline when it dies, but I guess it didn't. Man, this is the real busy side. This is the good side. This is the busy side. It is the KLM. There's some Aerowings that landed some minutes ago. There's Viva. At that Embraer. Behind that Southwest is Embraer. This is a 145 or not a 175. That's a big plane. That's a medium size one. It's not a mini jet. I thought you have died, Condor. But I guess you didn't.
I'll go back in. I'm a little chilly.
Okay. It is freezing out here. Man, this is the best plane. Oh my god. No. No, that can't be. No, that can't be. That can't be an American Airlines 757. Oh, it said 777. 757. That can't be an American triple. I mean, why do I keep saying 777? I mean 757. The engines look like an A320's engines, but I think that's probably a 757. Here comes A321 200. That's a lot of smoke. Best plane spotting spot ever. I've never. This is like San Diego, but it doesn't have a green gate blocking it. Oh my god, you are. That's. Oh, that's. Oh yeah, he's taxiing. I'm like, oh my god, I've never seen that before. That Southwest was just rotating. He was just coming off, and this dude takes off. I have never seen this Embraer before. Well, I've seen it, but never seen it in person. I've only seen it in videos, like in Miami. Never seen that one in person before. Gear up. I wonder why they always say positive rate when they put the landing gear up. Stupid bug. The Condor. And what car is that? Is that like a runway cleaner or something? Oh my god, I think I got bit by something in the hotel. Viva! I think that's like a Mexican airline. Oh my god, I think I got bit by something. Oh my god, it's probably oh my god, it's probably a bunch of mosquitoes in the hotel. Oh my god. That is a 757. It is an American 757. It's pretty rare to see those. Condor, I have never seen your 767s. Well, in this case, Thomas Cook, because like that's the Thomas Cook livery. Oh, okay, he is rocking 7. Oh my god, I've never seen United's 700s. I've never seen United Airlines' 73700s. I've never seen their 700s. That's amazing. This is a bunch of rare planes or planes that I've never seen before. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, I think that's 777. I think that's 777. Oh yeah, that's a 777. It's a Korean. It's Korean. 777. Oh my god, I've never seen a Korean 777 before. I've only seen their 777 freighters. That's a rock. I thought that was something else. Oh my god, it's a 777. It's a 777. It's a passenger too. It's a 300. Oh my god. Camera quality, don't. Oh my god. Oh my god. I've never seen Korean 777s. Well, wait, was it a 300 or 2? I can't tell anymore. It looks like the wings of a 2. That's a lot of smoke. Look at all that smoke. That's a lot of tire smoke. I watched the video. I looked up why there's smoke when a plane lands, and they said it's like since the wheels aren't moving, something when they hit the ground, and then like when they start moving, they like start skidding or something. I don't know, and then they do the smoke thing. That was awesome. We're just gonna put the spoilers down. So, the Frontier Cardinal livery. I always wanted to see a cardinal. I love those. They're one of my favorite type of birds. Oh my god. Nope, not another big one. Oh my god, I can't wait till that 787 takes off over there in that gate. I wonder how long it's gonna take off. Oh, it's JSX. Oh my god, my hands are. Oh, here comes Condor 763. I was going to say 763 300. Is that all right? So it's at 767 200 over there by the American. Someone please tell me. Man, I haven't seen. Man, I missed that livery. Bye, Condor. Good thing you were a part of Thomas. Birdie. Pointy beak bird. Your beak looks like looks like some type of horn. Oh. Look at that. Look at those wheels. That's amazing. Oh my god, I can't wait till I go to the so like the airplane shop was closed. I was very angry. And like first I tried to go last night and they were closed last night. And I looked up what time they open and what time they close it, and they said they open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And then we go today, and then they were closed today, so just gonna have to go tomorrow. Oh my god, that's the best thing ever. Frontier. I call it Frontier Frontier sometimes. I just like the name Frontier. I just like the name Frontier. It looks like it says Frontier, but it says Frontier. What is that? What is that? I wonder what that was supposed to be. Oh my god. What the heck is that? I bet my hand's about to freezing to turn to ice. The 777 is still holding. Oh, Alaska's taking off. I thought he was holding and they were just I thought that they were just holding for absolutely no reason. Is it is that an A319? No, 18. A318, yep, I was right. A318. Wait, no, 19. I forgot the 19 was the bigger one. I always forget that the A318 is the small one and the A319 is the bigger one. A320. Them dang CFMs are my favorite engines because the thruster, the reverse thruster, like it like spreads out, it like opens up like that. Oh my god, I can't wait till 757 takes off. Oh my god, it's freezing out here. This is the first time I've ever been in the desert and it's freezing. Oh my god, I'm starting to hate winter in the desert. I hate winter in the desert. It's the middle of the freaking desert and it's freezing. And it's daytime. And that's snow. I was hoping I was gonna be a Neo. That the engines looked like a Allegiant. That's a CFM. Yep, that's a CFM. Yep, that's a CFM. That's the thruster, the reverse. Here comes the American 757. I rarely see American 757s. I don't know about you guys, but I rarely see them. They're 757s. It's just rare in LA. Man, I'm starting to become homesick. Eel out! Oh my god. It's eel out. I've heard of that. Don't feed bird. Oh yeah, that makes absolute sense. That makes sense. Don't feed the birds, because at airports where they allow feed the birds, there's always bird strikes and other crap. Oh, finally they're crossing the runway. If I was on that plane, I'd be like, why aren't we going to the gate yet? Is there nope, there's no one there. I tried to turn on the ATC, but I couldn't find Las Vegas air traffic control. Oh my god, my hands are cold. They're hurting. My hands are so cold that they start hurting. Oh, this is navigation. No, beacon. Beacon lights. This is nav and his beacon lights on. I think that means they're ready to leave, right? And wait, don't when they have their whoa, a mosquito. When they have their nav and their beacons on, doesn't that mean they're ready to push out? Oh crap. My phone is gonna ready to die. I'm gonna have to end the video. After this American 757, I'm gonna have to end the video and charge it up and make another video, but well, I'm just gonna wait for this 757 to take off. Alright, there it goes. The rare to see 757 from American Airlines.